Hey sis, what's bothering you?
My friend told me that math and science are related. How could this be possible?
Your friend is right. Let me show you how math and science are related with each other. We have a topic in math called direct and inverse variation. While I am listening to our science teacher and how he solved it, I was amazed. It is really the same in solving math problems. Let me show you some examples. First, the direct variation. Example. Hooke's law for an elastic spring states that the distance of spring stretch varies directly as the force applied if applied. If a force of 160 newtons stretches a spring of 5 centimeters, how much in force of 368 newtons stretch the same spring? The answer is shown here. Ohm's law. Next is the inverse variation. Ohm's law states that the current I is inversely proportional for the resistance R. If the current is 40 amperes when the resistance is 4 ohms, what is the current when the resistance is 16 ohms? The answer is shown here.
They really are connected.
See, you want more examples? I want to show you joint and combined variation. First is the joint variation. Example, kinetic energy jointly as the mass and the square of the velocity, a mass of 8 grams and a velocity of 5 centimeters per second, has a kinetic energy of 100 energies. Find the kinetic energy for a mass of 6 grams and a velocity of 8 centimeters per second. The answer is shown here. Now, lastly, the combined variation. The electric resistance of a wire varies directly as its energy and inversely as the square of its diameter. A wire with length of 200 inches and a diameter of 1/4 of an inch has a resistance of 20 ohms. Find the electrical resistance in 500 inches wire with the same diameter. The answer is shown here.
Wow, okay. Now I am convinced. My friend was right. Thank you for showing it to me.
No problem. That's why I love math and science.